Are you part of a charity or non-profit and wondering how to make your finances more transparent, compliant, and secure? Then you need one thing every successful organization has: a financial procedures manual for non-profits. In this video, we'll explain what a financial procedures manual is, why it's essential for charities in the UK, and how to create one that keeps your NGO fully compliant with the Charity Commission, funders, and auditors. Stay tuned to the end. We'll show you how NGO Finance Hub can help you build a professional, audit-ready financial system tailored for your organization. A financial procedures manual for nonprofits is a written document that outlines exactly how your organization manages its money, from budgeting and accounting to donations, procurement, and audits. It's not just a technical file. It's your organization's financial rulebook, ensuring that everyone, from your treasurer to your volunteers, follows consistent, transparent procedures. For UK charities, it's also a key requirement under Charity Commission Guidance CC8, which emphasizes internal financial controls, accountability, and segregation of duties. Without it, you risk mismanagement, audit failures, and loss of donor confidence. With it, you gain trust, control, and long-term sustainability. So, why is this so important in 2025? Because the charity's SORP update, new fundraising regulations, and increased donor scrutiny now require stronger governance across all nonprofits. A financial procedures manual helps your NGO prevent fraud and financial abuse, clarify staff and trustee responsibilities, demonstrate transparency to funders and auditors, and align financial decisions with your mission and ethical standards. It's not only about compliance, it's about building credibility and trust. When donors and grant makers see that you operate with integrity, they're more likely to fund your work. A comprehensive financial procedures manual for nonprofits should include at least 7 key sections. Governance and responsibilities. Define roles of trustees, finance officers, and staff. Budgeting procedures. Describe how budgets are prepared, approved, and monitored. Income management and gift aid. Outline how donations are recorded, banked, and claimed through HMRC. Procurement and payment controls. Explain supplier selection, authorization levels, and anti-fraud policies. Cash handling and bank reconciliation. Detail how petty cash and banking are managed. Risk management. Identify financial risks and mitigation strategies. Audit and compliance. Document how annual reports and external audits are prepared. Each section acts like a safeguard. Together, they form a powerful internal control system that protects your organization and its beneficiaries. Every strong nonprofit financial policy depends on segregation of duties. That means no single person should control every step of a financial transaction. For example, one person records income, another approves payments, and a third person reconciles bank statements. This simple principle drastically reduces the risk of fraud and error. At NGO Finance Hub, we help NGOs design control matrices that assign responsibilities clearly, so everyone knows their role and no process goes unchecked. Our approach aligns with Charity Commission guidance and international best practices for NGO financial management. Handling income is a high-risk area for nonprofits. Your financial procedures manual should specify how to manage cash donations using numbered receipts and secure storage, bank transfers and online donations with clear reconciliation procedures, and gift aid by maintaining valid declarations and accurate records for HMRC claims. Every pound donated must have a documented trail, from receipt to bank deposit to expenditure report. This not only satisfies auditors but also demonstrates accountability to your supporters and funders. Procurement is another crucial section in your manual. It should include policies for comparing supplier quotes, preventing conflicts of interest, and setting approval thresholds for spending. Combine this with a fraud prevention policy and a whistleblowing procedure, and you've built a financial fortress around your organization. Then comes risk management, maintaining a financial risk register, reviewing it quarterly, and ensuring trustees act on emerging threats. NGO Finance Hub helps charities automate these reviews and strengthen governance with easy-to-follow templates and training. Finally, your financial procedures manual must explain how audits and reviews happen. Regular internal audits test your controls. External audits or independent examinations validate your accounts under the charity's SORP, FRS 102 framework. But the most successful NGOs treat audits not as stress, but as strategy. They use audit insights to strengthen systems, improve reporting, and attract more funding. At NGO Finance Hub, we support NGOs through audit preparation, policy design, and staff training to make compliance smooth and stress-free. Now that you know why every nonprofit needs a financial procedures manual, it's time to take action. At NGO Finance Hub, we help charities and NGOs create tailored manuals that meet UK and international accounting standards. We build your manual from scratch, train your team on financial management, and ensure full compliance with the Charity Commission, HMRC, and funding requirements. Visit ngofinancehub.com to learn more about our Financial Procedures Manual Development Service, or book a free consultation with our experts today. Make your nonprofit financially strong, transparent, and future-ready with NGO Finance Hub.